kid. Can you talk to her? Can you talk to her? Show everyone your new sound. Show us your new sound. Do it. You can do it. Get her. Oh, that's close to it. Keep going. You take a break and have some water. Water. Does that new sound hurt your voice?
I think it does. Hurts my voice.
It hurts my voice. Where'd Daddy go? Okay, do it. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Hey. There it is. That's her new word. Her new voice. Do it again. Do it again. You want to show everyone what you had for dinner too? Avocado and green beans. Mmm, yummy. Crunchy. Can you do it again? That's our Darth Vader right there. Any more? Any more in there? No? Okay, you wore out your voice? Said bye-bye to the baby. You can do it again. You're pretty funny. Any more? I think people are getting bored. That's 2 minutes of craziness and redundancy. All right, bye-bye.